Mid-air collision. This is a problem. He's like hogtied. His legs are pinned together. Come here, baby. Don't bite me.
Go get you.
Don't bite me.
Look at him, look at you.
Hey guys, Captain Bill with Angling Extremes. Welcome back. I'm with a good friend of mine today, JoeySlayem. Say what's up, Joey.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Subscribe to his channel because it's lit.
And subscribe to Joey's as well. You know it's lit. I don't know what Joey's plans are exactly. He was talking about maybe a clown for his fish tank. I've got my grandfather's cane pole here. Let you take a look at this real quick. And I think what I'm going to do for about the next month, I'm going to see how many fish how many species I can actually catch on this thing. So stay with us, and hopefully I don't break this thing on the first fish here. Dude, if I catch a clown on a cane pole, I will be a legend. This is probably one of like the oldest forms of actually like fishing with a rod, you know, before they had reels. Uh-oh, fish number 2 on the cane pole. Ah, he's got me stretched out. He's got me stretched out pretty bad. God. Oh, look at that jump. Oh, God. Shit. He's in the motor.
Oh, he got out.
He's out. Hold on. Oh, man. I can't. My arms need to be longer, or my leader needs to be shorter. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is so much fun catching peacocks on a cane pole. You just can't even I can't even describe how cool it is. Oh my God.
That was sick.
That was a great bite too. I mean, he hammered it. Bam! Look at that. All right. Question's been answered. I hope I don't get a big one. But that's probably about the max right there. That one's probably pretty well stretched out. Oh, got it. Oh, no. Oh. Don't break, Rod. Don't break. Oh, it broke another one. Joey, we got a problem. Can we get it back? Come here, baby. Come here. All right, guys. Well, this cane pole experiment's going well, except for one thing. I keep breaking these things every time I hook a fish. But that's 3 P's on the cane pole. 2 broken cane poles. That's it. We did it. Bam. I'm gonna have to get some stronger cane poles. We need like some fiberglass blanks. I don't think the old bamboo blanks are gonna hold up. But what we can do now is we can fish a half cane pole.
Oh, okay.
Which might be actually even more interesting. Oh.
Another peep.
Nice one. Fatty. Down wizard. Oh, he's got him on the left. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh boy, guys. Oh, he's got one on the left. He's still got a bait out on the right though. Man, guys, look at this thing. Look at this cane pole. Come on, bro. You got him. Ooh, that's a good fish. Scoop him. Bam. That was so sick, guys. I mean, it had him stretched out. He looked like he had the wingspan of a condor. I mean, that was awesome. Like I have antennas. I can't get my other bait out there to get the double though. Come on, throw him out there. Let's get the deuce. There's got to be another one right there by him. Okay. Cross arm style. Cross arm. The X. Oh.
That's where
Oh my God. Full extension.
Nice. Got one.
Okay.
Did you just get blown up over there?
It ate a dead bait on top right here. Oh my God, I just got slammed right here. Oh my God, that was a big fish, guys. Big fish. Oh God, left, got him on. Oh no, oh no. Big fish. Oh!
Keep the other one in the
I'm trying, I can't hold on. Oh shit. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh, okay, got that one.
Got that one, we landed that one.
All right. Man, that thing was strong. That had my like tricep stretched out. All right, Joey on the dual wield. The anticipation of what's going to happen here. I mean, he could basically have to do a split any minute here.
Anytime. There's fish blowing up. Feel there. Oh my God. Like, this is fun, and then it's fun watching. It's not fun fishing.
No.
Because you never know what's going to happen. Like,
and that's a big bait on the right there, so you better really hang on tight to that one, buddy. Like really tight. Like really tight.
I know he set it up on purpose to be like that.
Oh God! Oh yeah, he just got ate, but he missed him. Ooh, that's going to be a good fish that eats that one. That's going to be the one that you're really going to have to. You're going to struggle.
This one's like a mini action pole. You know, it's all about.
Oh!
There's a fish right here.
Yeah, right there.
Come on. I just got ate.
Oh God, he's ate.
Oh my goodness. Guys, this is crazy. This thing's a monster. This one has serious weight on it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that form. It's all about the wrist action here, like Salt Bay. Just drop the salt. Oh, jumper.
Don't go under. Don't go under.
Dangerous man. Dangerous man.
That's a nice peacock on a cane pole, bro.
Nice, bro. Choked it too, dude.
Oh my God, look at this peacock.
I swear, it's like, you don't know what's gonna happen. I'm freaking out. Oh, here we go too.
This could be the first double, guys. Come on. We got multiple nervous baits here, one in each hand.
Oh my gosh. You still gotta make sure the fish looks natural, but this is crazy. Over there. Guys,
Oh, left.
I'm on.
Oh God, big fish.
God.
Big fish. Oh, he lost him. That was a giant. I don't know if like anybody can totally appreciate what's happening here. I mean, these are half cane poles. They're not full length because I snapped the first two on the first three fish. I mean, but you got to hang on, man, right? I mean, you got to hold on like you're just, it's your life in your hands. Look at this, switching it up.
This one's a little stronger. This one's a little lighter, you know? Bigger baits on the bigger rod.
The heavier action rod is on the right, so we're putting a little bigger bait on there. There's a position that's an ancient.
Oh my gosh!
Come up to the right, Joey. Oh my God, this could be the double. Let me get your other bait back out there. Come on, one time.
This was insane. What an
E! Oh yeah, switch up. Bam.
Look at that.
Seamless transitions. All right, we got one on now. We're just trying to get that double because we're really. Joey wanted to get a clown today for his tank, but we ended up doing this somehow. All right, guys, we're gonna take care of this fish because we don't want to wear him out too bad. I think we made a really good effort here at the double. We had a blast catching these things on cane poles. I mean, it's more fun than you can even explain, actually. Explain,
bro. You know.
Explain. Mid-air collision. All right.
We gotta go.
This is a problem. He's like hogtied.
He is.
His legs are pinned together.
Save this bird.
Okay, come here, baby. Don't bite me.
Don't get you.
Don't bite me.
Don't let him get you.
Man. Oh, almost got me. Okay.
He even has a little tag.
He's got a tag. It says, if you catch me, cook me. Probably tastes pretty good.
Not bad.
That tag is what's what got him tangled in the first place.
Turnip soup.
It's inside the tag. That's where the line was.
Look at that, a hero. You never know what you're gonna catch out here in the get up. You never know. It's like you do this all the time.
Yeah, but this guy's really got you kind of bound up here, Jojo. Okay. We might need an assist.
He's good.
What's that? How's that? We're getting somewhere.
Right here. Ooh, that's a lot of lines.
Okay.
Look at Bill saving the environment. Look at him, look at you. Be free.
Be free. Largy. How dare you? Look at that lip hook. Beautiful. All right, guys, this is Patrick Smith, Swamp to Sea Guide Service. After you call me and I'm booked, call him. He's the man. What's up, Pat? We're catching a couple bass.
Oh, there it is! Oh my God!
Get the net, Joey. Oh my God, it's a huge bass.
Gosh, that's so fast, Bill.
It's a toad.
Oh, it's huge. That's a toad. Way to go, bro. That's sick. Hold on, let me get your phone so I can go ahead and take a picture.
All right, a very rainy end to the sleigh.
Very rainy end, bro.
But we had a great time. Make sure to subscribe
To his channel.
to his channel. You're probably already subscribed, but definitely subscribe to mine. And the cane pole fishing was awesome.
That was
the highlight. Super fun. We'll see you guys next time. Adios.